guys, so welcome back to the channel. This 7th of November, we're taking a look here. Aerodrome Finance US dollar pair. Another rough day in the markets yesterday. Luckily, Aerodrome holding up very, very well relative to the rest of the market, relative to Bitcoin. Definitely much stronger than Bitcoin. Time will tell how this all plays out here, guys. Taking a look at the charts here, we're looking at a daily. We are back above the, currently anyways, we are back above the 200-day moving average. So we're trying to overcome this resistance here, basically at 87. It's an old lower high, broke to the upside on the 25th, broke back down on the 4th this week, Tuesday. Nice up day, Wednesday, Thursday, quiet day down 4%. Currently up 6.5 roughly here this Friday morning. So Aerodrome looking pretty good. Next area above the market as resistance is going to be basically 96, give or take a little bit. We had some resistance here back on the 13th of October. The 50-day is a little bit higher at 97, but that's the next area of potential line in the sand resistance for Aerodrome. And that would put the price up. We're at 91 here. So let's see here. 96 is going to be about 5 to 6% higher than where we are currently trading. There is a decent amount of resistance up there. So we'll see. You can see back in here, which is the end of September time frame. A little bit of resistance here. Again, middle of October. This is the area we are looking for a price to move up to, again, 5 to 6% to the upside. So we'll see how these markets react. Holding above the 200-day is good to see, which is where we're at now. Again, next line in the sand is basically that 50-day moving average for Aerodrome. We'll see how this plays out. Definitely not a perfect chart here. You know, I don't forget that these things markets can break down very quick. So just keep an eye on that. Keep that in the back of your head. Position yourself correctly. You know, we'll see. Bitcoin is let's go look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not looking that great. We'll see how it's doing here this morning. Bitcoin, Coinbase. So again, Bitcoin broke down quite bearish. Bears are in control of Bitcoin, which is, again, going to lag the market, including Aerodrome. These cryptocurrencies can outperform the market up to a point, and if Bitcoin continues to get ugly and show weakness, eventually they will roll over. We have nice support here, basically at 100K. For Bitcoin, but once we took out basically the 104 level, that was not good for the bulls. We are holding here, but we're not recovering too quick. A lot of overhead resistance here for Bitcoin. Again, relative to Bitcoin, Aerodrome is holding up very well and showing strength. But if Bitcoin continues, perhaps we test this again, and then it makes another lower low. Very good chance it's taking Aerodrome and the rest of the market with it. So again, that could be this little bounce could be short-lived, and we could see further selling. So just want to keep that in mind. Again, it's holding up very well, showing strength, but if we could put in a lower high and a lower low before you know it. So time will tell. Let's hope it doesn't happen, but again, it might. Position yourself correctly. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up. You have a great day. It's Friday the 7th. Of course, not financial advice. Let's see how these markets go. Got ugly again yesterday. SPX down 75. Bitcoin was down. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, join us here on the channel. And yeah, we'll see how this plays out. Thanks, guys.